Okay, so you're thinking about selling your home and you're trying to decide, should I sell it as is or should I make some of those repairs that I've been putting off for years? Well, let's break it down. So, if you're thinking about making repairs such as putting on a fresh coat of paint, maybe fixing that leaky faucet that you've had going for a few months, or replacing some of those old fixtures, these simple repairs can make a huge difference. And the best part is they don't break the bank. But if we're talking about big ticket repairs like foundation issues, perhaps you need a whole new roof or windows. Well, these are big ticket items and they may or may not get you a dollar for dollar return. So it might be better to sell as is. The key to that, though, is pricing your home accordingly. You can absolutely sell it as is, but you have to understand that any buyer that's looking at your home, well, chances are they're going to want those big repairs done. And it's not fair to expect them to pay top dollar for your home and do those repairs on top of. So you gotta price it accordingly, which is yet again why you need that trusted real estate professional on your side. And if you're in the state of Florida and you don't have that trusted real estate professional, give me a call. Happy to help. And if you find value in this content, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have experienced any as is situations in buying or selling a home, I'd love to hear about them below. Thank you all so much and have a great day.